Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to see all your Telegram channels at one place. On Telegram you can create tabs and using these tabs you can sort your content by any categories. So be sure to watch the video to the very end and you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, once you are on Telegram, you can create that categories on Telegram that names folders. And now let me show you how you can easily do that. So, first, open up Settings, and on Settings you can easily find Chat folders. Just get into it. Right here I got already channels category, but let me show you how you can create your own channels category. So I'll create new one. To do that, I'll tap at create new folder, and on that step first you have to name that category. Let it be channels 2. And now I can set up included and excluded chats. So I can tap at that plus sign where it says add chats just under the included chats to add them. And if I want to see just channels, I can check mark channels. I can also check mark, for example, groups or groups and channels and bots in that way, but I'll just keep channels. Now I can tap on Done to set included chats, and also I can add there some excluded chats. I can tap right here and let's say I want to see just unread messages on my Telegram channel, so I can exclude read channels in that simple way. Also, I can exclude archived and muted channels. Then I can hit on Done, and after that I can hit on Create to create that folder. As you can see, that folder appeared right here. So now I can go back to my chats, and now I can easily find that channels folder here. It's empty now because I don't have new messages on my channels that are not muted and not archived. So if you want to change the order of these folders, you can easily do that. So you can just hold down at any of your folder and then select reorder tabs. After that, folders start shaking and you can change their position. So you can just hold down at any folder and then move it to any place that you want in that simple way. Once you finished with that, just hit on Done. If you want to remove any of your folders, you can tap on Settings, then move on to Chat folders, and right here on that screen you can just swipe over to the left to bring up delete option, and then just hit on delete and select remove to remove that chat folder. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.